important to leave some room between you and the Jeep in front of you. Not so much that you can't see the Jeep in front of you, but at least 1 or 2 Jeep lengths, especially if you are going up or downhill and it is wet. So if you come to areas and it's wet, just keep in mind, easy on your brakes. If you stand on your brakes, you're going to slide. If you have any questions, concerns, you hit a point where you're not comfortable, you want some help, that's why we have 3 amazing ladies on the ride with you. Radio, one of the 3 will be able to come and help you. And that is what they're here for. More than happy to help you guys out. Have fun. Have a great time. Any questions, you can radio up, ask the ladies. That is what they're here for.
Karaoke. I will not join you, but I will cheer you on.
No, winner gets over. No, we're not even going to tell them what it is.
I've been told we're not going to tell you what's in the mystery box. Somebody is winning a mystery box. All right. Let's see who the winner will be. Thank you so much, ladies, for a great day yesterday, a great day today, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Don't forget, karaoke will be starting for anyone who would like to participate.